Ever wonder why you sneeze? Sneezing is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nasal passages. When dust, pollen, or even a strong scent enters your nose, sensory nerves get triggered. This results in a rapid inhalation, followed by the explosive release of air to push the irritants out. Interestingly, bright lights can also induce sneezing in some people, known as the photic sneeze reflex. So next time you sneeze, know it's your body's natural defense in action. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.